Today I'm going to show you exactly how to highlight text in a Microsoft Outlook email. Open Outlook, then click New Email on the top left of the Home tab. A blank message window appears. Click in the subject line and type Draft for review. Then click down in the large message body and type a real sentence. I'll type 2 updates for the proposal, then press Enter. On the second line, I'll type the deadline is Friday and the Section 2 pricing needs a written explanation. Now select the phrase that matters most to the reader. Click just before the word Friday, hold the left mouse button and drag across it. As you drag, the selected text gets a light blue or gray band behind it. That band is just Outlook telling you the text is selected. It is not the final highlight. If you accidentally include the space after the word, the highlight will cover that space too, so stay tight on the text. Now look directly above the message body at the formatting toolbar. The button you need is the highlighter, and it shows a small marker icon with a tiny arrow beside it. It is not the font color button, which looks like a capital A with a colored bar underneath. If you don't see the marker, click the 3 dots at the far right of the formatting row. The highlighter sits in that overflow list too. Hover over the marker and the tooltip says Text Highlight Color. Click the small arrow next to that marker icon. A palette drops down with colored squares and a no color option at the bottom. Choose yellow. I use yellow for deadlines because it stays readable against a white message background and it looks like a standard highlighted line instead of an error. The selected text immediately picks up a yellow background. Click once in the body outside the highlighted phrase. The selection shading disappears, and the word Friday now sits on a clean yellow band. That is what the recipient will see when the email lands in their inbox. Now select the word Section 2 pricing on the second line. This time click the highlighter button directly, not the arrow. Because you already chose yellow, the button applies that same color without reopening the palette. That's the fastest way to mark several phrases in one pass. If you want a different color for each item, use the arrow each time. Let's change the color on Friday so you can see how that works. Select the word Friday again, click the arrow next to the highlighter, and pick green from the palette. The background changes from yellow to green immediately. I would keep the color to 1 or 2 in a single email, because too many colors make the message look like a construction notice. Now remove the highlight from Section 2 pricing. Select that phrase, open the same drop-down, and choose No Color at the bottom. The words stay exactly where they are, but the background goes back to white. People often reach for the font color button here, which changes the letters themselves instead of the background. If you click that and pick green, the text turns green but the yellow band stays. The highlighter is always the marker icon. One thing that catches people is that the highlighter only applies to the message body. Click up in the subject line and the formatting buttons gray out. You cannot highlight the subject or the To field, and that's by design. Click back in the body and the buttons come back. Before you send, there is a faster way to strip every highlight from an editing pass. Click inside the message body and press Ctrl-A to select all the text. Make sure your cursor is in the body first, because if it's in the subject line, Ctrl-A selects the subject instead. Then open the highlighter dropdown and choose No Color. Every highlighter color in the message disappears in one action, and the text remains unchanged. I use this when I have been highlighting as a markup and need to send the final clean version. One more thing to know, if your formatting toolbar is narrow, Outlook collapses that highlighter into the 3-dot menu on the far right. It does not disappear, it just gets collected there. Click the 3 dots and the same text highlight color option is available. The same marker icon, same palette, just one extra click. If this got your email formatted the way you wanted, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.